Guys, Mac is German-Japanese car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 94411. 2009 Audi A4 2.0T in for parts. Engine starts and runs. Hitting the front, but there are some good stuff. Not too hard in the front. Looks like the radiator fans and the radiator and some of the front end stuff might still be good. Doors are good. Definitely the rear is good. (2009) Audi A4 in for parts. Starts and runs. 86,000 miles. Here's the interior. Let me see if I can start this up for you guys. I'm gonna have to get in the driver's seat. Well, it starts and runs pretty good. 310-804-4185. Call or text 310-804-4185. 09 Audi A4 Premium Plus in for parts. Good engine, starts and runs. 86,000 miles. 310-804-4185. Thank you.